Hello everyone, welcome back to Hemophilic Hero. This is an update on my health and the issues I'm facing. On last month 15th, I got an hamstring bleed. The second time it came and cured within 2 days. There is no impact on my day-to-day activities. But the third time, it came very powerful. Um, and it activated multiple bleeds, and the bleed started to move to other muscles also. See, on 30th no activity, 31st I'm on bed rest, complete bed rest, 3 days. 29 also I couldn't move, but it's okay. On 22nd I visited a government hospital and infused 1500 units of factor. I got mild thumb bleed and ab muscle bleed just below the chest, the first ab muscle on the right side. Why it came? Because the hamstring bleed was on the left leg, so I started to sit on my right side, right leg. Okay, I'm dependent on my right leg, so I was sitting like sliding on the right side. So the bleed on that ab muscle came, which was worse than the hamstring bleed. Okay, then what happened is I couldn't lay down on the bed, and I couldn't wake up from the bed. See, I couldn't sit. Now I cannot lay down and wake up from the bed. Then what happened on the Thursday? I infused the factor 1000 unit. Is that bleed on the ab muscle and hamstring muscle started to move towards the knee, my knee also. So the hamstring bleed given some knee pain, and the bleed also occupying my lower back also, slowly. Okay, the ab muscle bleed started to move towards my rib cage, and on Thursday I couldn't change my position. I have to lay down on the bed on one side itself only. Okay, on the right hand side only I can lay down. I couldn't lay down straight. Something on the other side, on the left side also I couldn't sleep. Actually, I couldn't see that visible colors, that violet, green, purple colors comes on that muscle bleed area, na? Like you shown in that hamstring bleed picture. That's still not visible in my ab muscle area. But it was one damn serious bleed. I couldn't tolerate it. I made one stupid mistake. I thought it will cure by itself very soon, like the hamstring bleed cured within past 2 times. It cured within few days. So I thought it will cure by itself, but the bleed started to get worse. So only on the fourth day only I infused factor. See, after that, third and fourth also complete bed rest. On fifth only I started to move. So 1 week of my workouts also ruined. My health also gone down. Now again from September 7th I have to start working out and continue my fight back against hemophilia. Forgot to mention, I have done ab workout many thousand times. Actually, it's countless. I have never bleeded before in my abdomen muscle. This is the first time I got bleed because of that another bleed, hamstring bleed. There is no relation between workout and ab muscle bleed. Please note it down. I have trained my abdomen muscle to the extreme many times. but I never got a ab muscle bleed. Actually, muscles don't bleed for doing workouts. It's very very rare. Okay, but I'm not working out my abdomen muscle past 1 month because I'm bulking now. And the reason behind my hamstring bleed is to bring back the mobility. I gave a stretch to that muscle. Um, I gave enough rest to that bleed to recover, but accidentally it started to bleed again. Sometimes it happens, but we have to stretch that muscle once the muscle bleed is over.